In this video, we will discuss the vaporizer function. The vaporizer function blows a small amount of coolant air through the handpiece. The function occurs after the foot control is released, before the handpiece is removed from the patient's mouth. This prevents water droplets from forming at the end of the handpiece and dripping onto the patient after cutting. Here is an example of a handpiece running without the vaporizer function. Here it is again in slow motion. Notice the water droplet that forms at the end of the handpiece. Next, you will see an example of a handpiece running with the vaporizer function. Here it is again in slow motion. Notice that the excess water is cleared from the handpiece. In the event that the vaporizer stops functioning properly, try cleaning the coolant air port in the handpiece with a small wire. This can temporarily clear debris. If you continue to encounter clogging of the ports on a more frequent basis, despite cleaning with the wire, this is an indication that the handpiece is in need of being sent in for more comprehensive service. The handpiece can be disassembled at an authorized service center to thoroughly clean the spray port. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.